Hey guys, I got a 6.5 horsepower Toro lawnmower here. Front wheel drive, recycler, 22-inch deck. And it had a no start issue. So first thing I did was tore the whole carb apart and cleaned it. But didn't start after that. So what I should have done is just check for spark. And turns out didn't have a spark. So we changed the spark plug, still no spark. So what do you think of next after new spark? Well, you got a bad coil. So this is the old one, and I bought a new coil, 40 bucks, put it on, and it still wouldn't start. So I was like, crap, what's going on here? Is there a grounding issue? Because sometimes the bottom ground, this green wire that hooks onto the bottom of the coil pack, doesn't have a good ground, so it doesn't ground. But what the issue is actually this kill switch here. Because what happened was, when you pull it, it only goes back yay far. Well, for the heck of it, I pulled it back really far. Like this. Pulled it back. It's sticking, as you can tell. Right? So I pulled it back. And sure enough, I got spark and the thing ran. But then I shut it down and pulled it again, and it wouldn't fire. So I think I got a dirty contact at the end of that lever, or wherever the grounding is on this switch. So I'm gonna have to figure out where that is, and I'll let you guys know. But that seemed to be the issue. The coil probably would need replaced anyway soon, so we're gonna leave that in there. But I'll let you know where this kill switch. This is the kill switch that goes to your hand. It's the top hand lever up there that you have to pull down to start the engine. So it's basically, you know, the system's not complete. The circuit's not complete, so the engine won't run. So I'm going to clean up the points, the contacts on this kill switch, and show you where those are. Alright, well, I figured out the issue, and I didn't even have to pull the flywheel off to get to this, the kill switch connection, which is up here underneath the flywheel. I noticed, if you look back at the last part of this video, that this arm is actually bent out. It was bent out this way about a ½ inch. And when it did that, it caused the pull cord here to be less efficient, to have less pull on this lever right here. And that wasn't engaging the switch all the way to complete the circuit. So all I did was bend this back into place, and it runs great now. Now this cord is, you can tell it's pretty stretched, because the full motion of this is almost a ½ inch here. I'll show you that. Probably a ½ inch left there, and you'll see when I pull this, it's probably closer to 3/8. That's all the travel it needs. But that bracket being bent was just enough for the switch to not function and the lawnmower not to run. So keep that in mind. It could be as simple as your kill switch not being engaged. What I'm also going to do is take some zip ties and straighten this thing out a little bit, just to kind of keep it out of the way, so that it doesn't get caught, this doesn't get snagged or anything. I want to keep this about right there, I'd say, if I can. Maybe fix that part there, because you don't want this to snag on something. So what probably happened with this was this caught on a tree branch and just bent that plate out. So just something to keep in mind, guys. Quick and easy fix, actually. And thanks for watching.